Yuck. I hate all the products served in the student vending machines like this one. All of the products in it tasted gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what the teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in the teacher's lounge. And yay. It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay. I just bought real soda. Oh heck no. I'm busted. It's Principal Mariele.
Mike, I saw footage from the security camera that you use the staff vending machine. Did you?
Well, you will be really mad. But, yes. I did.
Oh 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 oh. Mike, how dare you use the staff vending machine? That's it. You are now suspended for 6 weeks. Get out.
Mike, I can't believe you use the staff vending machine. You know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only.
But Mom, the soda in the student vending machines tasted gross.
I don't care. You are grounded for 195 weeks. Go to bed now.
What?